Your VALO X curing light is a durable medical device that can last for years under proper cleaning and maintenance. To help prevent cross-contamination and to help keep dental composite materials from adhering to the lens and wand body, an Ultradent-approved barrier sleeve is required during use of the VALO X. In the event that a barrier sleeve is compromised or other extenuating circumstances and the device is contaminated, refer to the instructions for use for full reprocessing steps. To clean your VALO X curing light, wipe the unit down thoroughly with a 70% isopropyl alcohol or 70% ethanol cleaner or wipes. If the unit requires disinfection after cleaning, wipe the entire surface and keep wet for the exposure time, while paying special attention to cracks, crevices, seams, and hard-to-reach areas. For 70% IPA, keep wet for 4 minutes. For 70 to 90% ethanol, keep wet for 5 minutes. Allow to completely air dry. Do not use abrasive or caustic cleaners. Unauthorized cleaners may cause damage to the curing light. Do not autoclave or immerse in any kind of ultrasonic bath. If the unit is damaged, do not use it. Instead, contact Ultradent for repair information.